Welcome to our Virtual Spaces tutorial. For the best experience, we recommend using Google Chrome or Firefox. Simply search for explore.united.world in your browser. You can then either choose to log in with an existing account or explore the Try Virtual Workspaces option as a guest. Once you're on the main page, click the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Enter your email address and the one-time code you receive via email. If you've been previously invited into a space, use the same email address to log in. You'll need assigned permissions to access a space otherwise. My Spaces. This list shows spaces you've created yourself. Shared with you. These are spaces that someone has invited you to participate in. Public spaces. These are spaces accessible to everyone. To create your own space, click the Create Space button. On the left-hand side, you can choose from a variety of templates. These can be free or premium, with a cost. Different templates cater to different purposes like meetings, conferences, or casual hangout areas. On the right side, you'll first need to decide between creating an organisation space or a personal space. This determines whether the owner of the space will be an organisation or yourself. Next, you can personalise your space by entering a name, description, and choosing a privacy option. Public space. This space is accessible to everyone, including guests. Public space with link access. Anyone with the link can access it, but it won't be publicly listed. Private space. Only you and people you invite can access this space. Org space. This space is only accessible to members of your organisation. Click the Roles button to invite people and assign permissions. You can choose from various roles like user, moderator, host, and admin, depending on the level of access you want to grant. Now that you've created your space, we'll cover its features in detail in the next video.